Celine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys, as requested by you, a what's inside of my bag. And these are just some of my favorite videos to watch. I feel like I'm such a nosy person. I want to see what people carry inside with them. It gives me ideas, and then I find some really cute stuff that they talk about, and then I use them in my bag. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want some cute ideas. But the main reason why I wanted to do this video is because I have received so many direct messages asking which purse would be great as your first Chanel purse, whether it'll be the double classic flap or whether it should be the Chanel Le Boy bag. And I want to give you guys my opinion because I was in the same boat. When I first wanted my first bag, I couldn't decide whether I should get the Le Boy or the double flap, and a lot of people were telling me to get the classic, and I was like, I don't know, but my heart really wants the Le Boy. Like, I don't know which one I should get. So I actually looked at a lot of YouTube videos, I read tons of blogs, and I still couldn't decide. So I'm going to tell you guys what I wish someone would have told me when I was trying to decide between both of these. I want to be honest with you guys. The reason why I was able to get both is because I got this one at a much lower cost than what I would have paid in retail. So I have partnered up with The RealReal, which is where I purchased this bag from, because I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about pre-loved items and how you can find luxury 100% authentic items at a much lower cost. So you can save some money and buy yourself another bag if you want, or like a wallet, or just something for yourself. And whatever I saved with that, I was able to get my other bag and justify the price. So it is such a gorgeous bag, but I was able to get this secondhand, which means that it belongs to somebody else previously, but they resold it and I was able to get it at a lower cost. So this is from therealreal.com, and they have a ton of different luxury brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, like the list goes on, and they have a team of experts to authenticate each and every single piece, so that way you know that you're getting something that's 100% real. And they have all different kinds of things. They have accessories, they have hats, they have watches and jewelry and wallets and luggages and handbags. They have all different kinds of things, so make sure to check them out. You guys will not regret it. Once you get your first pre-loved item, you're going to be like, how did I not continue to save money but buying it pre-loved, right? So that's why I was able to get both of these. And if you guys want to make some extra cash, you can also sell your pre-loved items and make some money. So there's two options that you can do that. You can either ship it out to them, or you can actually have a luxury manager come to your house with white glove service, which is what they call their kind of service, and they can consign the bag for you. I will have a link down below where you guys can find The RealReal, and there will be a link so that you guys can get $25 off your first purchase, which is pretty cool. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into what's inside this bag. It is the Chanel Le Boy bag in the size medium. It is in the caviar leather, and it is in this gorgeous chevron print. It's so beautiful. This is my unicorn bag, which is what a lot of people call whenever they have a bag that they've been dreaming of, that they want, but it's so hard to find, and then you finally get it. And I finally got it, so I'm so excited to talk about this. I've been wanting this for years. Seriously, I love it so much. It does have quite a big compartment, and then it also has a small pocket in the back. So to open this purse, you just have to press these together and the clasp will open, but because of the clasp, it does secure it very well, which I really like that. And then this is everything that I have inside. The first thing that I have is a pair of rose gold high key glasses from Key. And then I also have my phone, which is quite bulky. And this is the iPhone X, if you guys want to see size reference. It fits perfectly in there, but it is quite bulky because I have this case on it, which has an extended battery pack. And it is from Apple, if you guys are curious. And I like that you could easily slide it in and out. So it makes it a lot easier, especially when I put this on my dashboard. Whenever I need the navigation system, I have to take it off its case, so I like that. And the only thing is that I should have gotten it in black because it gets dirty so easily. There's like makeup and just all kinds of dirt on it, and it's inedible. Like, I don't know how to keep it clean. I should have gotten it in black, but I just really wanted it in white. I think it looks really pretty. But I also got this pop socket from Amazon, and I made this little heart right here with my Cricut machine, and it was made out of vinyl. I tried adding it to the case, but because it is made out of silicone, I couldn't keep it on there because it kept falling off. Next up, we have my wallet, and I love this wallet. I like to use it a lot around this time of year whenever I have purses that are lighter colors because it's so pretty. It's my favorite color of like a rose gold, and it's all glittery. It is from Kate Spade, and I believe I bought this at their boutique, but I like how you have so much space for like your credit cards and your cash. It has an additional pocket over here, an additional pocket in here, and then you have space for your coins as well. And I actually used to put my keys on here, but I'll show you guys what I did with my keys because they started to scratch the inside of my purses, and I was like, I can't do that when it comes to like the nicer purses. I don't want them to get damaged from my keys. I showed you guys this key holder in the what's inside my work bag video, and I really love this. It's so pretty. I love the color of this, and I actually got this pre-loved. I got it from The RealReal. It actually helps keep all of my keys intact and they're not jiggling around in my purse, but the most important thing is that I didn't want them to scratch the inside of my nicer purses, so I wanted to make sure that they were safe in there. And you could also add like your credit card or your ID on the inside, so whenever I lose my phone, I could just press this twice and your phone will ring, even if it's on silent. Like right now, when it came down to my phone, I would always lose it in my house somewhere because I take it with me from room to room, and then I could never find it. So now with this, even if it's on silent, it will ring. So that's cool. And then if you lose your keys, you can find it through your phone. And if you lose both, you're out of luck. And then I also have this compact powder, which, oh my goodness, I love. I will forever use the Hello Flawless powder because I feel like it makes your skin look so flawless. I feel like it is full coverage. Whenever I don't feel like wearing a liquid foundation, I wear this and your skin just looks so nice. It doesn't make your skin look cakey, and it doesn't make it look like it's too powdery. It looks perfect. It looks great with your skin, and I just absolutely love it. I am in the shade Toasted Beige. I have several of them. I think I have like 4 or 6 of these powders, and a lot of them hit pan and they're all the way at the bottom, so I just make sure to never run out of these. They're great. I also have this lipstick from Pixi. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I really love Pixi. They have really good products. And then I also have some hand lotion, and I got this from Bath & Body Works, and oh my goodness, this is probably some of the best hand lotion I've ever had, and it's extremely soft. It doesn't make your hands feel oily or sticky whatsoever. I feel like the consistency of this product, it's so good that it just like penetrates into your skin and it makes your skin feel super soft. And this one smells so good. It is in the watermelon lemon scent. And then in the back we have a couple of things. I always notice that I have some kind of cash with me. This is like $22, and I like just to keep dollar bills with me in case I'm going to the city and I need to tip someone, like whether it's like the waitress or whether it's someone carrying your luggage or the taxi or anything like that. I always like to have some cash with me, so I like to keep it like in a pocket, because if I have to go inside of my wallet, I feel like it takes me too long and then they'll walk away. So I just have it in this pocket, which makes things a lot easier. So I gotta put that away. And then we have this receipt from House of Kobe. We actually received a gift card from Ricardo's mom for Christmas, and it was for House of Kobe, which is a hibachi restaurant. Did I say that correctly? Hibachi? And it was so tasty. So we got a nice little discount, $75 coupon. So we had a good dinner. And then I still have this Polaroid from when we went to Jessica's event. She works for Jawlosco, and she had like an event going on, so we all went to support her, and it was fun. We had a girls' night out, and then we went out to eat to El Carnaval afterwards, and that was absolutely delicious. So that was fun. So that is everything that I have inside of here. As you can tell, it has one big compartment, and then it has this pocket in the back. And I love it. I feel like it's a great size. The only downside is that I wish that it had a pocket in the back here so that you can slide your phone in. But even if it did have that pocket, my phone wouldn't fit. But if it had a different case, at least you can keep your phone out. But other than that, I absolutely love this bag. I've been going back and forth between these two purses lately because this one is really comfortable, even though you can't put this as a crossbody bag because the chain is too small for the crossbody, at least for my height. I still love it because it's extremely light. Like, you don't even notice that you're wearing this purse because it's so light. When you're wearing it for a long time, it's not going to dig into your shoulder. But I have very similar things in here, which is funny. So in these back pockets, a lot of people have said that they can't really fit anything in there, and I'm surprised because I totally can. And we have another one of those powdered foundations. And this one is also pretty full. Yes, it looks like I'm about to hit pan right there, but I love these so much. And then I have, what is this? Oh, this is eyelash glue. I actually got this from an associate at Ulta, which is really nice because when I went there, I went for eyelashes and they gave me this as a sample, which I was like, wow, that's really nice. Like that they gave me a little sample of this because this has been my favorite lash glue that I've been using from Velour. So it's nice that I can bring it along with me. So it fits in this little slot right here. And then I have a lipstick from Dose of Colors in there. And this is actually meant for a lipstick. But I did notice that anything longer than this lipstick will not fit in there and it won't close. And then I just have a few dollar bills. And then we have some more lipsticks. Why do I have a bunch of random lipsticks in here? Yeah, so we have Huda Beauty, MAC, and then we have ColourPop. Let me show you guys what fits inside of here. So aside from all those lipsticks, which I do not need, I have my compact in here, my compact powder, my phone, which takes up like the majority of the space. This wallet won't fit in there with my keys, so it's either one or the other. You see how it's stretching it out already? So what I will do is I will take out my debit card or my credit card and my ID and I'll put it in this slot right here, and then I'll have space for anything else. That's all really I take with me, is like eyelash glue, compact powder, lipstick, cash, my keys, sunglasses, my phone, and then my other things in here in this front pocket. And it just makes things a lot easier, and I just travel with this. I feel like I don't need much more than this. Now let me show you guys the comparison between both of these. As you can tell, this one holds a little bit less than the LaBoy bag. This one does have a pocket in the back, which makes it convenient. If you have a smaller phone than what I do, then you can put it inside here, which I really like that. The LaBoy does not have that at all. Because this does have a double flap, you can tell that there isn't much space in between the flap and the bag. So nothing really falls out of this bag ever. If I have lipstick and this tilts over and the lipstick happens to be on top of the bag, then it can slip out potentially. I've never had that happen to me, but I have heard people say that because there's a bigger gap in between both of these. I have also heard that this creases over time. Haven't had that problem and I've been wearing it for quite a while. So when it comes to the wear and tear, I don't think that it's going to be that much of a problem. I've also heard that the corners tend to wear out a lot faster than the classic because the edges tend to stick out. I still haven't had that problem, but maybe within a year or two I'll be able to notice that. But other than that, I don't see that. Now, I think the biggest difference for me when it comes to both of these bags is the length in the chain. First of all, this one weighs way more than this bag does alone. Like this, you can't even feel that it's on you. I like to go shopping with this. I'll run my errands, and I know it's not going to dig into my shoulder because it's so light that you can't even feel it on your body sometimes. So it's extremely comfortable to carry with you. But you can only wear this around one shoulder. You can't put it as a crossbody bag because depending on your height, most likely it's going to be too short of a strap for you to carry it comfortably around your body as a crossbody bag, which is one of the cons against this bag. But to be honest, I don't mind wearing it just on one shoulder, and you can also make the chain a lot smaller so that you can carry it closer to your body. But to be honest, I like them both ways. I've never had a problem. I never felt like I had to put it across my body because it is such a light bag, and it does have a grip on your shoulder so it's not going to slide off. The chain and the leather increase the friction so that way it's not going to fall off your shoulder when you're walking, or it's not going to be uncomfortable. Now when it comes to the LaBoy bag, the chain that's on here is a lot longer, so it's actually more comfortable to wear this as a crossbody than it is to wear it on just one shoulder. shoulder. I do like it best as a crossbody bag because I feel like it's more secure, it's on my body, and I'm hands-free to do anything else that I like. So I do like this option a lot, but I also do wear it over one shoulder. The only thing is that it could easily slip off because it's only the leather on top, so there's no friction to stop it from falling off. And I think the main reason why they made this strap right here leather instead of chain all around is so that it won't dig into your shoulder, because this is a much heavier bag than the classic flap, and I'll show you guys the difference. Alright, this is what they look like side to side. If you're going to wear them on one shoulder, this one is much lower than this one. This one is obviously a little bit more comfortable. This is what they would look like if they were just on one hand each. So now that I have compared both of those for you guys, if you guys cannot make up your mind, go with the bag that you want. Go with the one that your heart desires. Don't get the classic because it's an original. Like, yes, this bag is timeless and it's absolutely stunning, but if you feel like you're going to get more use out of the LeBoy because you love the way that it looks better, or because you like the convenience of it being a crossbody, then get the LeBoy. Don't let people talk you out of it, because just about everybody that I spoke to was like, no, get the original. That one will never go out of style. It's a classic. And it's like, yes, but if you don't love it as much as the other one, you're not going to get as much use out of it. So don't let this just sit on the shelf and never get any use, and only use it for date nights and only use it for special events. Like, girl, get your money's worth. Like, wear this out every single day. If you're going to go to the gym and you still want to look hot and you still want to look banging with your cute Chanel bag, you do it. Like, do you. Like, don't let it sit on a shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Hopefully it helped you narrow down which purse you wanted, or maybe you guys just wanted to see a what's inside my bag video. Either way, I hope you guys really liked it. And also, if you guys have made it this far into my video, don't forget to subscribe, because that means that you liked it, and hopefully you guys stick around. And also, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you guys know when I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah!